morning, dear students. Today we will start new chapter 21, trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. So this is third chapter of trigonometry. So in this chapter, first you will learn what do you mean by complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. So two angles are complementary angles when you add them and if the answer is 90. If their sum is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angles. Example, theta and 90 degree minus theta are pair of complementary angles. When you add these two angles, you will get 90 degrees. So these are complementary angles. So some more example, 40 degree and 50 degree are complementary because when you add these two angles, you will get 90 degree, and 30, 60 are complementary because 30 plus 60 is 90. 30 is the complementary of 60 and 60 is the complementary of 30. 15 and 75 are complementary. Now formula, we have formula number 1, sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So cos is the complementary of sine. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Sine is the complementary of cos. So sine and cos are complementary. Number 2, tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta and cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. So tan and cot are complementary angles. Number 3, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So sec and cosec are complementary. So here I have written in short form sine and cos. Sine cos complementary, tan cot complementary, sec cosec are complementary. And we have some more formula. Okay, here number 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Number 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So these are the relation. Next is reciprocal relation. I have already told in first chapter that sine and cosec are reciprocal. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine and sine is the reciprocal of cosec. So sine theta means 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta means 1 by sine theta. Next, cos and sec are reciprocal. Cos is 1 by sec and sec is 1 by cos. Number 3, tan theta is 1 by cot theta and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So tan and cot are reciprocal. Now we can start new exercise. So we'll start exercise 21A. Number 1, evaluate the following. Question number 1, sine 47 degree, cos 43 degree. First you check whether they are complementary or not. So when you add 47 and 43, it will be 90 degree. Sum is 90 degree. So either you convert both into 43 degree or both into 47 degree. So here I am converting into 43 degree. In place of 47, we can write 90 minus 43 because 90 minus 43 is 47. And cos 43, and we know the complementary of sine is cos. Okay, this is theta. So sine 90 minus 43 is cos 43. Cancel cos 43, answer is 1. Now number 3, sine 20 degree by cos 70 degree plus 1 by 2 tan 20 degree divided by cot 70 degree. 20 and 70 are complementary because their sum is 90. So either you convert whole into 20 or 70. So I will convert into 20 in this question. Sine 20 divided by cos. In place of 70, write 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20 is 70. In place of 70, write 90 minus 20. Now, sine 20. Now, we know complementary of cos is sine. So, sine 20 degree. 1 by 2 tan 20. Complementary of cot is tan. So, cot 90 minus 20 is tan 20. Cancel this. 1. So, 1 plus 1 by 2 is you take LCM. 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 1 by 2 is your answer. Now number 5, tan 18 degree divided by cot 72 degree minus sec 7 degree divided by cosec 83 degree. So 18 and 72 are complementary because when you add it will give 90 degree. So here in this first part either you convert both into 72 or 18. So here I am converting into 72. So in place of 18 I'll write 90 minus 72. So this cot 72 you have to write minus, again 7 and 83 are complementary because its sum is 90. So we'll convert this 7 into 83. So in place of 7 we will write 90 minus 83. So complementary of tan is cot 72 degree divided by cot 72 degree minus complementary of sec is cosec 83 degree. This is your theta. Cosec 83 degree divided by cosec 83 degree. Cancel 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 is your answer. Next question number 7. Sine 80 degree divided by cos 10 degree plus sine 59 degree into sec 31 degree. So 80 and 10 are complementary. So we'll convert this 80 into 10. Okay, so sine 90 minus 10 we can write in place of 80 divided by cos 10 plus 59 and 31 are complementary because when you add it will be 90 degrees. So either you convert 59 to 31 or 31 to 59. So here I am converting this 31 to 59. So 90 minus 59. Complementary of sine is cos 10 degree divided by cos 10 degree plus sine 59 degree into complementary of sec is cosec 59 degree. So 1 plus sine and cosec are reciprocal. So when you multiply them it will be 1. Okay, the product of reciprocal is 1 because we know cosec 59 degree is 1 by sine 59 degree. So in place of this if you write 1 by sine 59 then they will cancel. So simply what we will do is the product of reciprocal is 1. So cancel this 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So you can write your sine theta into cosec theta is 1. Now next question number 2. Evaluate number 1 cos 70 degree minus sine 20 degree. So 70 and 20 are complementary. So we will convert this 70 to 20. Cos 90 degree minus 20. In place of 70 we'll write minus sine 20. Now complementary of cos is sine. Sine 20 degree minus sine 20 degree. Cancel. Answer is 0. Number 3. Sine square 48 degree plus sine square 42 degree. 48 and 42 are complementary. Its sum is 90. So we'll convert this 48 into 42. So in place of 48 we'll write 90 minus 42. Now complementary of sine is cos. Square is here. So cos square 42 degree plus sine square 42 degree. Now I have told that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here theta is 42 degree. Okay, so cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Now next question number 5. Cos square 67 degree minus sine square 23 degree. They are complementary. Its sum is 90. So we'll convert this 23 to 67. So in place of 23 we'll write 90 minus 67. So cos square 67 minus complementary of sine is cos. So cos square 67 cancel. Answer is 0.